In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to open Novobanco bank account online. So friends, go to novobanco.pt official website and then click on open account and view minutes. This is the steps. After that, guys, all you have to do, just wait to see this page, click open online account, and then you see package. You have online package, guys, package account. This is for 7.9 euro per month. This is 9.9 euro per month, and this is zero fee. If you want to choose this one, guys, zero fee, click open account, and then you have online process, video calls, and you have digital mobile key. If you want to choose this one, click advanced, and then, guys, just wait to see this page. You can see here Novobanco page. After that, guys, click on your first name. You should be requested some your information, such your first name and then nicknames and all this information. Click authorize. After that, guys, you should be wait to see this page. Write your email, other mobile phone number, and enter your PIN codes, and they click authentications. So guys, if you don't have yet your digital mobile key, just click here, and then you will open your digital mobile key through watching this video from here. Just watch this video to activate your mobile key, and then go back this page onto your PIN and complete your open account steps. This is how you can do, guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video.